What are the ingredients required to make canned cranberry sauce?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a staple of many holiday feasts, cranberry sauce. But we're not just talking about any cranberry sauce. We're going to guide you through making your own homemade canned cranberry sauce. This delicious recipe is simple to make, and canning allows you to enjoy it throughout the year.
What are the ingredients?
For this recipe, we need just a few simple ingredients. 1. 12 cups of fresh cranberries. This is about 3 pounds of cranberries. 2. 4 cups of sugar. We're using white granulated sugar here. 3. 2 cups of water. 4. 1 cup of orange juice. Freshly squeezed is best, but store-bought works too. 5. Zest of 2 oranges. Note: this recipe makes about 8 to 9 pint jars of cranberry sauce.
Do I need any special equipment?
Indeed, to properly can cranberry sauce, there are a few pieces of equipment you will need. 1. A large pot for cooking the cranberries. 2. A canner or large boiling water bath pot. 3. 8 to 9 pint-sized canning jars with lids and bands. These need to be sterile before use. 4. A jar lifter. This is essential for safely handling hot jars. 5. A canning funnel and bubble remover. These tools help fill jars and remove air bubbles. Remember, the equipment needs to be clean and sterilized for safety.
What are the steps?
Now that we've gathered all the ingredients and equipment, let's jump into the steps. 1. Rinse the cranberries and discard any bad ones. 2. Combine cranberries, sugar, water, orange juice, and orange zest in your large pot. 3. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. 4. Once boiling, reduce heat and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cranberries burst and the mixture thickens. 5. Use the canning funnel to ladle the hot cranberry sauce into the sterilized jars, leaving 1/4 inch headspace. 6. Remove air bubbles using the bubble remover, wipe the rims, and secure the lids and bands. 7. Process in a boiling water bath canner for 15 minutes. 8. After processing, remove from heat and let the jars cool undisturbed for 24 hours. 9. Check seals, then store in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year. There you have it. Homemade canned cranberry sauce. This deliciously tart and sweet side is a wonderful addition to any meal. Plus, it's a fun and practical way to put those cranberries to use. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy canning!